Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, international certificate in AutoCAD mechanical course. In this course, we'll be taking you through all of the AutoCAD mechanical software and getting you to become an efficient and effective use of that AutoCAD mechanical software. AutoCAD mechanical design and drafting software is AutoCAD software for the manufacturing, with libraries of standards-based parts and tools for automating common mechanical CAD tasks and accelerating the mechanical design process. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.